Could President Trump's tariffs cause a global recession? Markets have plummeted. More than $11 trillion has been wiped off the value of American stocks since its peak in February. And global markets have tanked too. Analysts have been saying that a global recession has been getting more likely. JP Morgan says the chance of one is now 60% this year. Even if Trump were to U-turn now, he's already caused lasting damage to the global economy. Here's why. It's more than just the headline share price moves that show the economy could be in trouble. The VIX, a measure of volatility, reached its fourth highest level on record. Oil prices, which track the global economic cycle, are also down. And defensive stocks, like food and utilities, which are less exposed to economic downturns, have been outperforming cyclical stocks, like airlines and car makers, that rely on the economy being strong. The last time the gap was this big was at the start of the COVID lockdowns in 2020. And there's another problem. Usually, a downturn would be met by central banks cutting interest rates. But central banks are still worried about inflation. And this dilemma could be particularly acute in America, where tariffs will push up inflation this year.
It's not clear at this time what the appropriate path for monetary policy will be. And we're going to need to wait and see how this plays out.
It's still possible that tariffs could be stopped by the courts, by Congress, or by Mr. Trump himself. If so, then a recession probably can still be avoided. But even if there is a U-turn, the last few days would have done lasting damage to global trade. That's because global businesses don't just need low tariffs, they need confidence that the rules of global trade will remain stable. A company building a factory doesn't just need to know that tariffs will be low today, but also in 5 and 10 years' time. A good example is China. When it joined the World Trade Organization in 2001, it did not get materially lower tariffs with America, but investors became confident that there would not be a trade war. This confidence boost had the same effect on US incomes as a massive 13 percentage point fall in tariffs. For all of America's trading relationships, Mr. Trump is now putting this confidence effect into reverse. What business would build a global supply chain when there's a risk that someone like Mr. Trump could pull the rug from beneath them? There is some good news. The global economy was in pretty good health before it got into this mess. America in particular was strong. And countries often abandon foolish economic policies when markets react badly to them. But in the meantime, Trump has recast America as an unreliable trading partner. It could take a generation to undo the damage.